If you're currently struggling with building well-rounded pecs, then you have to take a second look at the exercises that are part of your workout. One common mistake you might be making is focusing only on exercises that target your upper and mid-chest area, while neglecting your lower chest. To build well-rounded pecs, your lower chest must also be considered during your exercises. While decline presses are often considered one of the best options to build your lower pecs, they aren't always the best exercise for it. In fact, you can get similar or even better results with other exercises that involve less stress or lower risk of injury. In today's video, we'll be showing you the only 3 lower chest exercises you need for rounded pecs. Stay tuned and enjoy. Number 1. Bench pullovers. Even though bench pullovers are usually seen as an effective back exercise, they are also quite good for your pecs. This exercise isolates your lower chest effectively, and studies have shown that during bench pullovers, the pecs get more activated than the lats. However, getting the best results will depend on using the proper form and slightly adjusting your range of motion. To ensure you're doing it right, position yourself so that only your lower back rests on the bench, allowing your hips to drop slightly. To properly target your lower pecs, avoid lifting the weight back over your chest. Instead, stop the movement when the weight is just above your head. This will lead to greater muscle activation and reduce the risk of injury. Number 2. High to low cable crossovers. High to low cable crossovers are another great exercise for isolating your lower chest muscles. This versatile exercise is also an effective way to stretch your chest muscles. The amazing thing about this exercise is that, unlike the bench press, which doesn't fully allow your pecs to go through the complete range of motion, high to low cable crossovers give you the full benefit. Studies have shown that the high to low cable crossovers are nearly as effective as the bench press for activating the pectoral muscles. To do this exercise properly, set the cables higher than shoulder height. Then position yourself in the middle of the machine, with a staggered stance for a wider base of support. Start with a slight bend in your elbows, then pull down the handles in front of your waist while keeping your chest and shoulders back. Number 3. Flat bench press. While the decline bench press is often regarded as the best option for your lower pecs, the flat bench press is also a great option to try. In a study comparing chest muscle activation across 5 different bench press angles, it was found that the lower and mid pecs showed the highest muscle activation at a 0-degree angle. Another study also found that a horizontal bench press resulted in more complete activation of all regions of the pecs compared to decline and incline angles. During the flat bench press, your pecs get evenly stressed in a fluid movement, which can reduce the risk of injury. For this exercise, keep your back flat on the bench, with your feet on the floor. Avoid arching your back. Squeeze your core and push the barbell up toward the ceiling using your pectoral muscles. Then straighten your arms in a contracted position and squeeze your chest. Afterward, bring the barbell down slowly to your chest before exploding back up. You can also use dumbbells if you prefer them. As always, you'll need to use the proper form and stay consistent to see results. Don't forget to prioritize rest and recovery. By doing these things and incorporating these 3 exercises into your routine, you'll be on your way to a stronger, well-rounded chest. Which of these exercises have you tried before? What were the results like? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. If you're also looking for exercises to build bigger calves, check out exercises that target your calves.